This lesson we're going to continue to work with percents, but we have a new rule. In this lesson, we're going to change a decimal number to a percent. To do that, we're going to reverse what we did in the last lesson. We're going to move the decimal point 2 places right and add a percent sign. Each time we do this, the 2 places have to do with the hundredths. Let me make these problems just a little bit larger. There we go. Let's look at number 1. We have the decimal number 0.29. To change it to a percent, it's going to move 2 places to the right, drop that decimal point, and add a percent sign. The final answer would be written as 29%. We would not show the 0 in front of the whole value, and we would not show a decimal that was at the end. All right, let's look at the next one. We have the decimal number 0.03. To change it to a percent, we go 1, 2 to the right, add a percent sign. That becomes 3%. Next one, I have 6.3. And just in case, I had a student ask me about something like this one time. Somebody said, why does this number have 2 decimal points? Well, it doesn't. This one at the end, right here, right here, right here, and so on, that's the period that's at the end of the sentence. I almost wish they'd left that off. All right, 6.3. To change it to a percent, we will go 1, 2 places to the right, dropping the decimal point. We will have to add in a 0, and this will be 630%. Numbers that are greater than 1 turn into percents that are over 100. All right, how about 0.377? To change that into a percent, we go 1, 2 places to the right. That's going to give us 37.7%. All right, and I'm going to scoot in here and do the problems. I have 0.52. Move the decimal 1, 2 places to the right, add a percent sign. This will be 52%. Number 6, I have 0.5. Remember that last dot right there, that's just the end of the sentence. To change it to a percent, I go 1, 2 places to the right, add in a 0 if I need to. That is 50%. A little more practice. I have 0.002. To change it to a percent, I move the decimal 1, 2 places to the right, and I will get 0.2%. So that's very tiny. Probably need to write the 0 in front of it. Starting a number with a decimal, it's just customary to put a 0 in front of it. As an alert, here comes a decimal point. All right, the next one, I have 0.013. To change this into a percent, I go 1, 2 places to the right. That's 1.3%. Okay, I have one more, 0.2687. Move it 1, 2 places to the right, and I get 26.87%. So make sure that you remember this rule and have it written down as well.